This tutorial will show you how to fade in MP3 audio in Capcut PC online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to fade in MP3 audio in Capcut is to go under to your import or the project bin right here in the top left hand screen, and as we can see I have a couple video clips and then I have an audio piece. I basically just click, hold, and drag. Now you want to go to the bottom right hand screen and click this plus icon to add to the track. As you can see, it added onto the Capcut PC free video editing timeline. Or what you could do is click, hold, and then drag. Now basically we want to fade in this MP3 audio piece. As we notice, it's a little bit too loud in the beginning, so you want to make sure that it's selected and highlighted. See, it sits color white. Now it's deselected, so you want to make sure it's selected and then go to the top right hand screen to fade in or even fade out the audio or MP3 piece. Click basic if it's not already selected, and then underneath volume we have fade in. If we click this right here and we drag this into the right or to the right, as you can see the wavelengths is curving. And that's exactly what we want. Or should I say, this is the before. And this is the after.